Hello and welcome back. Check out this brand new food pack. It has all your daily essentials. You will surely love it. Subscribe for more health tips.
I've got to share my secret weapon for staying on top of my wellness game, the Forever Food Pack. This little bundle is a game changer for my daily nutrition. First off, the Aloe Turm is a must-have. It's packed with natural goodness that keeps me feeling energized. Then, there's Forever Garcinia Plus, which helps me manage my cravings without feeling deprived. I can't forget about the FastBreak energy bars. They are perfect for a quick snack when I'm on the go. And the Aloe Herbal Infusion is my go-to for hydration and a refreshing twist. I love the Aloe Vera Gel. I keep a liter handy for everything from smoothies to skincare. And let's not overlook the Forever Tulsi Van Honey. It adds a delicious touch to my teas and is great for my immune system. With the Forever Food Pack, I feel like I'm giving my body exactly what it needs, naturally.